Get your .domain at a price lower than GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other registrar. If you are planning to buy a domain and you are probably checked price on GoDaddy or Namecheap or any another website, but if you can get the same .com domain for a much cheaper price. In this video I'll show you how to find and buy .com domain at a lower cost using the trusted platform. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
First of all, visit this spaceship.com. Then just click on this profile icon from the top corner. Then click on this sign up button and fill your personal information. After fill first name, last name, email address and username, just click on this next button. Then type here your password. Then click on this sign up button. You can save in your Chrome profile. Now go to your email address to verify email verification. I will give you a promo code for .com domain, so please watch full videos. Let's check spam folder. You can also resend the code from here. Now simply copy the OTP and paste here. Click on this verify button. You had successfully logged in your account, which is just created. Click on this back, finish, then find here. Click on this domain manager and here you can see start typing. Just type your desired domain name. Here you can see my domain is available. Click on this add to cart. Now view cart. And you need to ignore all of these items. Click on this continue button. Here you can see the total price is 9.08 cent, but I will give you a promo code. Just use this promo code and click on this apply button. Here you can see the total price, new total price 2.90 cent. Now you need to click on this checkout button, and this is the final step for buying domain. So we need to add a payment method. You can add card detail, debit or credit card or PayPal or Alipay. Select one of them which is preferred for you, and you also need to add billing address. So simply add your billing address, then click on this save button. Now the last click on this pay now, and congratulations. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolistar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.